Hey guys, today we're in West Branch, Iowa, checking out the birthplace and the gravesite of President Herbert Hoover. Beautiful morning out here. Now, Herbert Hoover wasn't known as one of our best presidents, but he wasn't ranked as the worst. It looks like they did a pretty good job of preserving the old neighborhood. Up here on the left is the birthplace. It's a pretty small house, actually. Hoover was born right here in 1874. Let's go in and take a look. Now just imagine a whole family living in here. This house is about the size of the average living room or kitchen today. This is the Blacksmith Shop of Herbert's father, Jesse. The funny thing to note here is that this shop is probably 3 times the size of the house itself. Now, blacksmith was a very common profession back then. But looking at a lot of these tools today, they kind of look like a lot of medieval weapons. It's kind of interesting to think of what might have happened in here 150 years ago, though. This is the old schoolhouse. Little different than schools today. And I'll bet at the time that nobody in here thought that they were attending class with a future president. Now, Hoover had one request when it came to his burial. He wanted to make sure that he was buried at the top of the hill, and he wanted an unobstructed view from his grave to his birthplace down at the bottom of the hill. And the reason for this is that he wanted to show people that it doesn't matter what means you come from, it's what you do with your life. It doesn't matter if you grow up with a lot of money or if you grow up with nothing, which is pretty much how he grew up. He still went to Stanford University, he got a good education, he made a very good living for himself, and he became president. The final resting place of Herbert Hoover and his wife Lou Henry.